The oil flowing from Jubilee is just basically the start. You have the opportunity to develop major industries on the back of the oil, major service industries. We're working very closely now with the local business people to make sure that all the services are supplied by Ghanaian companies and that they build a whole oil industry which can be generated in country, and that creates employment and creates wealth.
When we go into a country in Africa, our view is that we're there for the long term, and Jubilee is a project which means that we, Tullow, should be working with the government of Ghana to develop their oil and with their people to help with them with their economy over the next 20 to 30 years.
If we produce a barrel of crude oil, we're going to produce some quantum of gas, and this gas is the one that has ramifications.
People will see gas arriving on shore, it will be used maybe in power stations or industrial units, and it will have a more day-to-day impact on the population, I believe.
We recognised very early on that we have to work very closely with a large number of communities along the coastline that we operate in. And so we have undertaken programs in that area to improve health through medical programs and prevention of illness and disease, water and fresh water supply. And we've been working with a number of secondary schools and tertiary colleges.
We virtually supported the school to turn it into a science school for the whole of the community. And for the first time, people are passing the exams in home science because they no longer have to depend on what the teacher drew on the blackboard, but they can go to the laboratory to learn.
We took steps right at the start to put training programs in place to make sure that Ghanaian nationals were going to run this operation right into the future.
You have to start training people because it takes so long to get there. And that we actually see in action with a number of young engineers that we're taking on, training and getting them ready to move things forward as we grow the company in Ghana and develop the rest of our projects.
It's important that every industry in countries are run by local people. It's natural, and I think that's where you get the long-term effect, and it develops our own business, because we want the Ghanaians, the Ugandans, every country that we're involved in to view the business as their business.
I hope in 10 years' time that we'll be having a major impact on Ghana as a country and on its economy and on its future.
We are here for a long haul. We are not here just to pick the profit and go. We are here to stay, to help develop the country.
This business will be able to expand into other areas and help other businesses in Ghana to grow and kickstart the whole economy. And that's really what this oil should be all about.